we are having our favorite thing in Jalan or night market.
Located in the heart of Bukit Bintang area, getting here is easy. You can take the train to Bukit Bintang station and walk here in a few minutes or take a grab. Traffic can be bad in this area, so if you are already here, walking can be quicker.
This night market becomes lively after sunset, and we are going to explore every bit of it today. So watch till the end to find out everything about the most famous food market of Kuala Lumpur. There are too many options to try at Jalan Alor. It is always a struggle to decide whether to try something new or go with what we know and love.
This place is so happening, and we are enjoying the moment. We just order our food in one of the restaurant here.
And they also have stalls on the side of the street, so you get delicious food and you can enjoy while exploring other food options here and other things.
Make sure you bring your appetite as there will be so much you will want to try.
There are no set hours for Jalan Alor food night market. Turning up around sunset can be your best bet. This is a 500-meter stretch alley.
Yeah.
We have been here on the weekend. The crowd was crazy. Every restaurant was open. On weekdays, you get less crowd.
They have lots of seafood options here.
They serve variety of cuisines here. This market is run by Chinese and most of the Thai people. They are the main.
Yeah, and we got this Thai coconut.
You will get a place to sit and share the table with different kind of people around the world. This is the most interesting part. Most of the night markets don't have too many tables to sit in,
Again.
most of the time they are out of tables. You have to stand or walk around and eat. But here they have huge area. The alley is quite spacious for people to sit and eat.
It opens quite late. Some places do open during the day, but it's just not the same as when the street is all open and crowded with food choices.
I have ordered one egg fried rice. It has a little bit veggies. Wow. Right? Wow. Not like traditional egg fried rice. Better than that.
Smoky flavor.
And I have ordered one deer saute. It's a deer. Ed is trying deer first time. Okay. How is it?
It's different.
Yeah,
I've
crab.
got this fried crab from one of the stalls. I've heard people saying it's delicious. They have fried it and then mixed it with garlic
Wow.
on a bowl. Let me taste.
Oh. Sorry, I can't eat.
I am sorry.
Yeah.
You can't taste this
Oh
because
God.
it's another level.
Wow.
It's perfect. It's so delicious. I have had garlic crab, but the way he has made it and
Oh. Wow.
like
Awesome.
I've got the small size they charge as per size. It's worth tasting this.
Yeah, I can see that.
Come to Jalan Alor and don't miss this crab. This is extremely delicious,
Wow.
especially the garlic. Oh my god, it's magical. I love it.
This deer meat is really delicious.
Yeah, it is.
I have ordered small quantity, but it doesn't look small.
It's got a great vibe and tons of fun. Here's a durian waving at us, a friendly durian. Love the vibe.
We walk till the end of the street, and if you come at weeknight, you might find most of the food stalls and restaurants shut, so plan accordingly.
There are countless restaurants and stalls lining the street over about 500 meters, and you aren't going to have any problem finding something to eat.
In fact, the problem is working out what to eat when there are so many choices. It can definitely feel overwhelming on your first visit.
That's why we decided to visit this place twice. We got here with good appetite the second day. You have plenty of options from Malaysian to Thai to Chinese, Korean. Every option is available here at a very affordable price. Come on weekdays or weekends, you will have enough food to eat. It's a mind-boggling street. You will be amazed how many food options there are. Plenty of options to choose from.
delicious.
Yes, everything is delicious. Do come and enjoy and let us know how was your experience after visiting this market. We will be waiting for your response. I hope you guys enjoyed this market as much as we did. Let us know in the comment below how you like this market and would you love to explore it, because we loved exploring it and you will enjoy it as much as we did. Do try out the crab, which I tried, fried crab with garlic. It's quite affordable.
Thank you for watching till the end. Please hit like, share and subscribe our channel. Until then,
Bye. Durian pizza. I don't know how will it taste.
Yeah, but thinking of trying that durian pizza. Because we already tried that pineapple pizza.
Pineapple is different taste. Durian is smelly. Pineapple is not smelly.
Yeah.
Your pizza will be smelly and then you will grow smelly things.